This video is going to be an Article Forge review and demo. Welcome to New Internet Wealth, where I make videos about how to make money online. Please take a look through the videos on my site where I talk about different ways to make money. I also share different strategies and techniques, and I review software and tools that I use in my own business to help me make money online. So today I just want to jump right in, and we're talking about Article Forge, which is the AI content writing. And I'm going to show you a demo of exactly how it works. So first, what we're going to do is we're going to pretend we have a niche site that's about yoga, and we're going to use the keyword yoga accessories for beginners. Okay, I'm logged into my Article Forge account, and we're just going to click on New Article, and I want this to run, and I'm going to talk more about Article Forge while this is running. So to show you how simple this is all you need to do to get a new article created. Just enter your keyword here. Choose what language that you're using. Decide how long you want the article. We're going to do a long form for blog content. It's going to automatically add titles, automatically add section headings, and auto-generate section headings for us. Now, we can do a few other customizations here. It's definitely a good idea to add an image and add a video because that definitely helps with SEO and ranking. And now we're going to click on Create New Article. And so it is off and running. It is collecting content to create. So let's go ahead, and we started this at 7:10 p.m. So let me just put that in here. And we'll let it run, and we'll come back and see when it's finished. Well, maybe 7:11 it started. 7:10, 7:11. So anyway, inside here, you just saw how easy it was to get an article started. This is where all your articles are kept, so you can save your articles, so you can go back and pull them out and reuse them. You can connect to your WordPress websites if you have multiple sites, and it'll automatically add the article to your site if you wanted to do that. I just manually add all the content to my own sites because I think it's easy enough to do, but you can integrate it and have it auto-post. You can schedule posts, so you can actually have content, so it would create a new article and post it to your site every single day if you want. You could make it really almost completely hands-off if you'd like. With Article Forge, you get so many words per month, so you can track what you're doing there. And then they have an API. There's different WordPress plugins and other website creators that do integrate with Article Forge via their API. And so this is where you get your API key. And then they have a great help section about how to use it. But it is super simple to use. Okay? And so while it is running this article, let's go and just look at their page a little bit. High quality content in one click. It really is super easy. They do have a 5-day free trial. So you can try it for free, see the content, create some content, and give it a go before you decide whether you want to actually use it or not. Now, content for people starting blogs, I know for me, I'm not a writer. I don't like to write. It's difficult. It's not something I enjoy or look forward to. And so creating content is challenging for me, for a person like me. Now, if you love writing, then more power to you. You can still use Article Forge to supplement your writing if you'd like, or you can use Article Forge to bypass it, because you'll see it's going to create a 1,500-word article in about 5 or 6 minutes, and it's going to be very good content. The other thing, sometimes people like AI content, they worry about that. Well, Google is using AI, artificial intelligence, when they go to a site, and they're using that AI to judge the quality and relevancy of the content. And so using AI like Article Forge, it's using the same type of deep learning models and algorithms that Google is using to evaluate it. And so it's giving Google actually exactly what it wants. And therefore, it really will help with SEO because you're getting content that is optimized and, like it says, written in a way that Google's algorithm will love and therefore help rank. Now, on their website, you can see some Article Forge samples on all kinds of different niches. So here's an article about SEO strategy. Keyword how to create an SEO strategy is 1,500 words. You can go on here and read it. Very well written. They give a few other examples of other niches. Video game bosses, New York City. If you have a travel blog, look at this. You can, what they do. They used a keyword, what to do in New York City, 1,500 word post, very well written. there you go. If you have a health and fitness blog, here's something about small business, so basically they're just showing you can use it in pretty much any niche that you want, okay? Yeah, so as you saw, it's super easy. You put the keyword in, you set up your parameters, and then you go. Now, it's going to take more than 60 seconds. It might only take 60 seconds for a short article, like a 50-word or 250-word. But when you do longer ones like I'm doing in this example, you see it will take longer. And it is going to come out completely unique. We're going to run it through Copyscape when it's done, and you'll see that it passes Copyscape and is unique, that there is no other content on the internet that is found in the article that ends up being created. So let's see where we're at. It's about done. I'm going to go ahead and just put the video on pause while it finishes up these last few items, and then we'll come back and take a look at the article that's created. Okay, so it finished up pretty quick after I paused the video, and you can see 7:16 is when it finished, okay, 7:16. So it started, we said 7:10, it actually had just changed to 7:11, but we'll say 7:16. And so in 6 minutes, 6 minutes, it created, let's go ahead and click on here and take a look at it, approximately 1,500 word article that focuses on the keyword yoga, what did we say? Yoga accessories for beginners, okay? And so once it's done, you can see it here in text. It added an image. You saw the video at the bottom, and you can also see it in HTML form, and you can copy that if you'd like. You can spin it if you want to have it, redo it. You can spin it. And then you can also, download this as a text file, an HTML file, as a PDF, or again, if you're connected to your WordPress blog, you can have it post to WordPress. So what we're going to do is copy this text, and we're going to go over to Copyscape. I'm in my Copyscape account. You can see we're starting with $8.70. Okay, so you see we are going to run it. We're going to do a premium search, and there we go. It went from $8.70 down to $8.54, and so you can see no results. Okay, so this article is completely unique, and it's a 1,506 word article. And this content is found nowhere else on the internet. So this is completely unique content. And you saw it wrote a very nice long form article in 6 minutes. This would have taken literally a couple of hours, 3 or 4 hours, to research it, to write it. And you can read through it. It reads really, really well. Okay, there are several different types of yoga accessories that beginners can invest in to improve their practice. Among these accessories are yoga mats, blankets, blocks, straps, and headbands. Here's a rundown of some of the most commonly used ones. All of these products can make practicing yoga even easier. Once you've chosen your favorite items, you're ready to purchase them. But which ones are the best for beginners? Okay, it reads great. Okay, then it goes through and talks about yoga mats, yoga blankets, blocks, yoga straps, yoga wheel kit, etc. Okay, and so yeah, you can save it. It integrates with Word AI, which is a rewriting program. A lot of times I'll take mine and sometimes I'll rewrite them through Quillbot if I'm going to use content, this content, and just have it rewritten. So I have another article that is again completely different because Quillbot passes Copyscape as well. And so you can see how easy this is. In 6 minutes, we have a super well researched and written and formatted article that we can just, either if we're integrated to our WordPress blog, just put it, have it post automatically, or I just take my HTML, I copy that, and I put it on my blog, and it comes out beautiful. And then I can edit from there, do my SEO optimization with some, making sure the keyword is throughout, etc. that I need to. But this is a really, really great way to quickly create high quality content that is completely unique if you're trying to get a niche blog started and going. So if you found this helpful, if you want to look more into Article Forge, maybe try their 5-day free trial. I will leave a link in the description box below this video. It is an affiliate link. I appreciate you using it if you decide you want to give it a try. And if you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up. I appreciate that. And please subscribe so you can get notices of new videos as I put them out, and so you can keep up to date with how to go ahead and be successful online. Thanks so much for watching.